Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Foxx Grips for the Glock. This is my Glock 30. It is unloaded. And I have taped grips on all of my guns. I just don't have them on this one. And I don't really like the factory grips from Glock on this particular model. There's basically no stippling. And it's very slippery. I live in Tennessee, and in the summertime when it's hot and humid and you sweat, this does tend to slip out of my hand. So inside the package, you get the grips, which are very flat. You just peel off and stick on. You get the instructions, and you get an alcohol pad, and you will need a hairdryer or a hot air gun to apply them. Okay, if you look at the instructions, it's very simple. It tells you left, right, etc. So we're going to apply these to the gun and see how that works out. The instructions tell you to remove the slide. Honestly, I really don't think it's necessary to do that. They probably tell you to remove the slide in case you're a bonehead and you have a loaded firearm and you wrap the slide and pull the trigger and you shoot somebody. But I don't really think it's necessary. So let's put these on, heat them up, see how it works. Okay, we'll start off with the finger straps. And we'll just center them on here right now. And when you first put these pieces on, you don't really need to spend a lot of time applying pressure. Just get them where you want it. Alrighty, so I have all the pieces exactly where I want them. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just heat it up with the hair gun, hot air gun. And it's on the low setting. You don't really need to go crazy with this. After you do that, you may want to put it in your hand, squeeze it, okay? Now that it's bonded in place, that's what you wind up with. Good looking grip. It's definitely not going to slip out of your hands. And these are a great price. These are only $13.99 with free shipping, and they're made in the USA. These are from Foxx Holsters. The link is in the description. And they're a one-stop shop. Besides these grips, obviously they make holsters, they make mag carriers, and lots of other accessories. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I hope this answers your question about Foxx Grips. If you had any doubts, I highly recommend these. They're super comfortable. I like these a lot. Thanks for watching.